Another Corolla behind me, another Corolla behind me. What do you think is the engine sound? Stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to the, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. I just want to say I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, my long time subscribers. I want to say shout out to you guys. But yeah, guys, is it a 2J? Is it a 4AG? Is it a V8? Station wagon goes. Take a guess on the engine swap, and yeah, enjoy the video.
I made it.
And I hope you guessed right, 1JZ. It's not a 2J, it's a 1JZ. As you know, 1JZ, it's a 2.5, 2J is a 3 liter. But yeah guys, 1JZ powered station wagon. Beautiful Toyota. I love Toyotas. How many times have I been saying that? Beautiful car. Look at that lever. Take a guess on the gearbox. But yeah, beautiful Toyota Golf, guys. I love this car so much. Check the diff. Properly overbuilt diff. I wonder what's going on there, but let's take a look at the engine bay. Oh, screamer pipe dumps right here. No wonder this car's so loud, because we actually loaded the car and did it before run. Now it makes sense why the car's so loud. Check the beautiful intake manifold. Lovely intake. Oh, those look like 1000s or 920cc injectors or 9 whatever. Smart people will comment down below. Gosh, this thing looks nice on the inside. Check the beautiful bucket seats. Hey, sitting far back though. I wish I could show you like the back, like where the fuel cell is located and all that. Gosh, this car is beautiful. Guys, I think I'm familiar with this car. I think I've seen it like on a YouTube channel, Africa's Sickest Ride, something like that. Yeah, because I think I've seen this video of this car on that channel. Comment down below if you guys have also seen this car on a YouTube channel. But yeah guys, beautiful Toyota. I love Toyotas. I should be at home studying, but I just came quickly to shoot this car. please do make sure to check out BS Customs for a custom set of your own. BS Custom provide high quality 3D printed parts. You can 3D print about just anything from gear knobs to custom wheel caps. Just make sure you check them out. A link to their social will be down below in the description box.